The completed rings continually mature around another. My steady growth has now reached its earthly limit as I unexpectedly call out for Mother. I ask to be protected from the raging wind, but I can no longer fight my ambitions to soar higher from this artistic climax. I feel my sight will be better served at a higher height, but my ancestral roots are not deep enough to handle the harsh wind pushing me back to Mother. If she told me the importance of the wind, I would have welcomed the icy embrace and let my shallow roots naturally grow with a more youthful grace. I hope my exposed rings will provide deeper insight for the next complex root looking to reunite with the upward strength of the favorable wind and its guiding light. Even Mother cannot protect me at this height. Help me, Father.